Hello, students. This is the seventh lecture and the concluding lecture of The Rat Trap. So far, we come to know that the paddler was asked to leave Iron Master's house, but Edla Wilmanson has advocated for him. At this, the paddler could not understand what could be the crazy idea, why the girl had interceded for him, why the girl had advocated for him. Yeah, she even made him sit on the breakfast table. Thereafter, let's continue. After that, Christmas Eve at Ramchu passed just as it always had. Christmas Eve is evening. It passed at Ramjo as it always used to. The stranger did not cause any trouble because he did nothing but sleep. The stranger, the paddler, caused no trouble to anyone because he kept on sleeping the whole day. The whole afternoon, he lay on the sofa in one of the guest rooms and slept at one stretch. At noon, they woke him up so that he could have his share of the good Christmas fare. But after that, he slept again. It seemed as though for many years he had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ramsjo. Um, in the afternoon, he kept sleeping on the sofa, which was in one of the guest rooms, and slept at a stretch. In the afternoon, he was woke in order to have Christmas fare, Christmas food. But after that, he once again went to sleep. It seemed as though he had not slept for many years. He had not been able to sleep as quietly and safely as here at Ram's show. He kept on sleeping the whole day very quietly. In the evening, when the Christmas tree was lighted, they woke him up again, and he stood for a while in the drawing room, blinking as though the candle light hurt him. But after that, he disappeared again. He kept on sleeping. In the evening, he was once again, when Christmas tree was lighted, he was woke up. He stood in the drawing room, blinking his eyes. Obviously जब हम सो के उठते हैं तो when we look at light it hurts. Likewise, he was blinking his eyes, but after that he disappeared again. Once again he went to sleep. 2 hours later he was aroused once more. He then had to go down into the dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. At night, after 2 hours, he was roused. At that time, he was to go to dining room and eat the Christmas fish and porridge. Porridge, all of you know, dalia. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you and good night. But when he came to young girl, she gave him to understand. She gave him to understand means she made it clear to him that it was her father's intention, means wish, that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. He did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve in a place where he could rest in peace and be sure that no evil would befall on him, he would be welcomed back again. Now, one question can be asked, um, what did Edla Wilmanson tell the peddler when he thanked her? She told him that the suit he was wearing was a Christmas present from her father. He could keep that suit. Thereafter, she added that next year, if he would like to be at a place with peace to have some rest. He should be sure to come to their house, he would be welcomed there. The man with the rat traps did not answer anything to this. He only stared at the young girl in boundless amazement. Amazement is surprise. Obviously, he must be surprised. Why? Just because in the world where he was never welcomed by anyone, he was always chased away by people, he was always ill treated by people. A girl, a kind girl, was asking him or offering him next Christmas Eve. She was offering him that he could be feel comfortable, he could be in their house next year if he would like to. That was quite surprising for him. The next morning, the iron master and his daughter got up in good season. We have already come to know the meaning of the word good season means early in the morning to go to the early Christmas service. Their guest was still asleep and they did not disturb him. Christmas service may include prayer and all the things. Their guest was still asleep and they did not want to disturb him. Guest is peddler here. They got up. Iron Master and his daughter got up early in the morning and they left for church. When at about 10 o'clock they drove back from church, the young girl sat and hung her head even more dejectedly than usual. When at 10 a.m. They returned, this time they did not look happy. They looked disappointed. Why? At church, she had learned that one of the old crofters of the iron works had been robbed by a man who went around selling red traps. Means the um, real thing, the reality of the peddler came before the iron master and his daughter. At church, Edla Wilmanson came to know that a crofter who worked in iron works had been robbed by a man who sell small red traps. Yes, that was a fine fellow you let into the house, said her father. I only wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. Yes, that was a fine fellow you let into. This is a sarcastic way in which the father was speaking to his daughter. Why? Just because he denied, he asked, just because he asked the peddler to leave the house. But Edla Wilkinson advocated for him. Yes, that was a fine fellow, and I wonder how many silver spoons are left in the cupboard by this time. He thought, means he suspected that the peddler had stolen all the silver spoons. The spoons which were made up of silver had been stolen by the peddler. The wagon had hardly stopped at the front steps when the iron master asked the valet, this word has also come earlier, means male servant, whether the stranger was still there. He added that he had heard at church that the man was a thief. The wagon in which they came had hardly stopped at front steps when the iron master asked the valet whether the stranger had left or was there. He also told him that they came to know at church that the peddler, was a thief. But the valet answered that the fellow had gone and that he had not taken anything with him at all. On the contrary, he had left behind a little package which Miss Wilminson was to be kind enough to accept as a Christmas present. Now they came to know that the peddler had left. In place of taking, rather, he had left a package which was a gift for Edla Wilmanson, Christmas present. Young girl opened the package, which was so badly done up. Badly done up means wrapped up, that the contents came into view at once. She gave a little cry of joy. Uh, the package was so badly wrapped up that when she touched the package, um, content at once came out, means whatever was wrapped. She gave a little cry of joy. When she looked at the Christmas present, she was overjoyed. She found a small rat trap, and in it lay three wrinkled 10 kroner notes. Now you must realize why she became happy, why she shouted with joy, just because here she could realize that the man was a changed person. Inside the package, there was a small rat trap, and inside the rat trap, there were three wrinkled 10 kroner notes. But that was not at all. In the rat trap lay also a letter written in large jagged is zigzag characters. Uh, Not only two things, not only rat trap and three wrinkled 10 kroner notes were in the package, but also a letter which was written in rough handwriting. The handwriting of the paddler was not so fine, had been left for Edla Wilmanson. And what was the content of the letter? Honored and noble Miss, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be nice to you in return, as if I was a real captain. For I do not want you to be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief, but you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. Here, he very respectfully addressed Edla Wilmanson just because she had been so nice to him whole day, and she treated him as if he were a real captain. I was की जगह आना था I were, just because it's imaginary. I want to be nice to you in return. He stated that as Edla Wilmanson had treated him like a real captain, in return wants to be, uh, he wants to treat her like as if he was a captain. For I do not want you to be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief. He added that he did not want Adela Wilmanson to be embarrassed just because of him, just because of a thief. But you can give back the money to the old man on the roadside who has the money pouch hanging on the window frame. He asked Adela Wilmanson to return the money to the old crofter who always put the money in the pouch which he laid hanging in the window frame as a bait for poor wanderers. Thereafter, he stated, the rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap if he had not been raised to captain, because in that way he got power to clear himself. Written with friendship and high regard, Captain Vaughan's tale. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat. Explain. This question can be asked. Explain. The rat trap is a Christmas present from a rat. Here, the paddler calls himself a rat. And why does he call himself a rat? Just because he had been caught in the rat trap, the so called rat trap that is world, just because he had stolen 30 kroners from the old crofter's house. If he had and he told Edla Wilmanson that he would have been in the world's rat trap, he would not been able to release himself from the world's rat trap if he had not been treated like a captain. And just because of her, just because of Edla Wilmanson, he got power to clear himself, to raise himself like a real captain. Now he realized his mistake, and just because of her kind, her loving, her sympathetic, her compassionate and kind and friendly behavior, he was able to free himself from this world's rat trap and was now raised to the level of a real captain. That's why he also signed himself as Captain Von Stell. There are certain questions. Why was Edla happy to see the gift left by the paddler? Obviously, Adla had treated the paddler kindly, and now when she saw that he had left the money which he had stolen from Crofter's house, she at once realized that he was a changed person, and it happened just because of her kind behavior. She was quite happy. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Wonstale? This is somewhat same. He signed himself as Captain Wonstale because Adla had treated him kindly, like a real captain, and now just because he returned the money, because of good behavior of Adla Wilmanson, he in return behaved like a real captain. Now I hope students the chapter is clear to all of you. I think this is time to give you certain questions related to the chapter. I will um, WhatsApp you certain questions which you will be supposed to answer. If you have any queries, you can contact me. Thank you.